Welcome to Revenue Ringleader, your ultimate guide to 5 authentic online earning websites. In this comprehensive YouTube video, we will explore 5 legitimate platforms that offer genuine earning opportunities. From their initial setup to the potential earnings and benefits, we will walk you through the process of making money on these trusted websites. Our aim is to empower you to embark on a fruitful online earning journey and help you separate the genuine opportunities from the scams. Join us as we delve into each platform's features, assess their credibility, and unveil their true potential. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of generating income on these authentic online earning websites. Website 1, Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelance marketplace that connects businesses with skilled professionals worldwide. From writing and web development to graphic design and digital marketing, Upwork offers a wide range of job opportunities for freelancers. To begin earning on Upwork, you'll need to create a comprehensive profile highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio. Once your profile is set up, browse the available jobs, submit proposals, and win contracts. Your earning potential on Upwork is limitless. As you build a strong reputation, deliver high-quality work, and gain positive feedback from clients, you can attract higher-paying projects and secure long-term collaborations. Remember, consistency and professionalism are key to success on Upwork. Benefits: Upwork provides a secure payment system, offers a global platform to connect with clients, and provides various tools to manage your freelance career effectively. Additionally, the Upwork mobile app allows you to work on the go, ensuring flexibility and convenience. ScamAdvisor.com rates Upwork as trustworthy, with a high trust score, indicating it is a reputable platform. On Trustpilot.com, Upwork has mixed reviews, with some users praising the platform's opportunities and payment system, while others express concerns about high competition and project fees. Website 2, Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace known for its handmade and unique products. If you're a creative individual selling crafts, artwork, or vintage items, Etsy is the ideal platform to showcase your creations to a global audience. To get started, set up an Etsy shop, add high-quality product photos and descriptions, and list your items for sale. Earning potential. Your earning potential on Etsy depends on the demand for your products, your pricing strategy, and the effort you put into marketing your shop. Niche and high-quality products tend to perform well on Etsy, attracting loyal customers and repeat sales. Benefits: Etsy provides a user-friendly platform to showcase your creative talents, access to a large customer base, and integrated tools to manage your shop efficiently. Furthermore, Etsy offers marketing resources and analytics to help you optimize your sales. ScamAdvisor.com rates Etsy as highly trustworthy, with a high trust score, indicating it is a safe platform for buyers and sellers. On Trustpilot.com, Etsy receives positive reviews from users, praising the variety of products and seller responsiveness. Website 3, Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace that allows you to offer services, known as gigs, in various categories such as writing, design, video editing, and more. Create a Fiverr profile, define your gigs, set your prices, and start promoting your services to potential clients. Earning potential. On Fiverr, your earning potential is determined by the quality of your services, your reputation, and your ability to offer unique and in-demand gigs. As you gain positive reviews and receive more orders, you can increase your prices and earn more. Benefits: Fiverr offers a platform to reach a global audience, seamless communication with clients, and a clear payment system. The Fiverr mobile app allows you to stay connected and manage your orders on the go. ScamAdvisor.com rates Fiverr as trustworthy, with a high trust score, indicating it is a reputable platform. On Trustpilot.com, Fiverr receives mixed reviews, with users appreciating the range of services offered but expressing concerns about refund policies and communication with sellers. Website 4, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular online rewards program that allows users to earn points, Swagbucks or SP, for completing various tasks such as surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. These points can be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. Earning potential: Swagbucks offers a variety of earning opportunities, but the earning potential per task may be relatively low. However, consistent participation in surveys and activities can accumulate SP over time. Benefits: Swagbucks is free to join and offers a simple way to earn rewards for everyday online activities. It's a great option for those who want to earn small rewards during their free time. Scamadvisor.com rates Swagbucks as trustworthy, with a high trust score, indicating it is a legitimate platform. On Trustpilot.com, Swagbucks receives mixed reviews, with users expressing appreciation for the rewards but also voicing concerns about eligibility for certain surveys and occasional technical issues. Website 5. Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn money from their content by offering exclusive benefits to patrons. Creators can create membership tiers, provide exclusive content, and connect with their most dedicated fans. Earning potential: Patreon's earning potential varies based on the creator's content, engagement with patrons, and the value they offer through their membership tiers. Consistent and high-quality content can lead to increased patron support. Benefits: Patreon allows creators to build a loyal and supportive community, access a reliable source of income, and receive direct support from fans who appreciate their work. Scamadvisor.com rates Patreon as highly trustworthy, with a high trust score, indicating it is a safe and reputable platform. On Trustpilot.com, Patreon receives positive reviews, with creators praising the platform for enabling them to monetize their content and connect with their audience. Congratulations! You've now learned about 5 authentic online earning websites that can help you generate income and achieve your financial goals. From freelancing on Upwork to selling on Etsy, offering gigs on Fiverr, earning rewards on Swagbucks, and building a community on Patreon, these platforms offer genuine opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs. Remember, success on any of these websites requires dedication, consistency, and providing value to your audience or clients. We hope this guide has empowered you to embark on your online earning journey with confidence. Join us on Revenue Ringleader as we continue to explore the world of online earning and entrepreneurship. Best of luck on your journey to financial freedom.